Yemi's gotta stop it. More of that talk.
Love another man.
Yemi's gotta stop it. More of that talk. I want you to face. Yemi's gotta stop it.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Toke. Back in the building. So today, been requested to do skincare routine video. So I take care of my face, even though it's been breaking out. It's getting clear again. So, but this is what I've been doing. I'm gonna show you how to take care of the skin of the face. So we're gonna start with that. So first, this is what I use. I use a rag to. Y'all see this, right? Y'all see this? Y'all see this? It's called a steamer. This is what you need. Fake steamer. See, this is what we're about to use. This is what I use. What the steamer does is it opens your pores in your face where the bumps are. So once the steamer is over, you can put the face scrubs, face moisturizer, you know, all the facial creams that you use to, you know, clean your face. That's when you use it, after the steamer. Sorry, my hair's looking rough. I'm gonna do a hair tutorial or hair routine video. It's gonna get twisted tonight, so get ready for that. Open the pores up to this side and this side. Say hi. And then next.
This is what I'm having for breakfast, and that's what you guys need to start a day. Fresh fruits and vegetables, as always. You guys stay tuned. I can show you how to do as boys, girls, young ladies, young men. I can teach you guys a lot about skincare because my skin, Tokyo's skin, his sister's skin was looking horrible in high school. Now is what are you sucking your teeth? Now is a time that you need to start practicing how to take care of your skin by doing simple little facial routines and stuff like that. And if you don't have a facial machine like this, I just found some on Amazon that is about $23. Tiny little mini ones that you can put your face. And if you don't want to buy that, I can tell you a little bit about home remedy stuff, which is a pot with hot water and a towel over your head. And you can just put a little bit of peppermint oil in the meantime that you're doing it, so you're getting that mist in your nose, and you know, on top of it you're getting the steam on your face. And I can show you how to cleanse your face properly, how to get rid of little black spots off your face or acne and stuff like that, and a little night routine pretty much that you can actually do to start taking care of your skin. And don't say you're too young. I started my facial routine when I was between 15 and 16 years old, and that is why today that's how I look. You get it? No, just joking. That's all, pretty much. So let me know. I'm out. Got some work right now, and whatever you guys want to see, just let him know. Peace out. Important, wear a mask or a shield on your face. Youngsters that are disobeying the mask rules. That's it.
Wise words. With you guys when I'm done. Alright, y'all. It's done. It makes this sound. All you gotta do is just click this right here and this And you gotta fill it with water, so you can get water from the sink and it just boils it and makes it, you know, steamable. As you can see, you see all that white stuff on my face? That's from the steam. This is called baking soda honey scrub. My mom made it. My mom makes things from scratch. Like, she can make facial scrubs from scratch, anything from scratch. She made this for me, scrub. So this one I'm gonna put on my face. So all my pores are open right now. It's the product I use. See, facial wash acne cleanser. So I need more of this because it's like to the bottom. So this is what I'm gonna use after I wash this off. And just wash the rest off. Get the rest off the face. So it's like this. Just gotta pour it out. See that? Alright, so I think we got most of it off. We just gonna use a rag to finish it off. Finish the soap off the face. It's all on my face right now. Ooh-wee. See how it looks more smooth, more fresh. Hopefully these bumps right here, you know, go away because it started popping up. And these ones too. I'll update y'all when all these bumps is off my face because it's not looking too good right now. But that is what I do for my facial face routine. And y'all wanted that, so I'll take care of it. Skincare routine. That's how I do it. That's how I take care of it. So, yep. Face feels smooth, more a little bit cleaner. Dirt is off. And yeah, fresh. And my camera died, so if y'all enjoyed that video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button right here. One more thing. This is the face cream that I use. Focus. This is a face cream I use. It's called Equate Beauty. You can read it right here. Take a picture, screenshot it. But this is the one I use to, you know, moisturize my face after cleaning my face and stuff. So y'all can, you know, get it at the store. It's at Walmart. They have it at Walmart. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure they have it at other stores. You're getting twisted tonight, so stay tuned for that. It's pretty long. Well, not that long, but it's longer than how it looks. But if y'all enjoyed my video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in another video. Love you guys.